Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 1 with a penalty. Kosilam kuhle.
Bhuti asonwabanga bhuti. Asonwabanga indlela esithithwa ngayo pha ngaphakathi asonwabanga bhuti.
Yintoni ingxaki?
Mfukeng. Ubonile ijezi kaMfukeng ngakanani evulekile uvuxa. Ijezi kaMfukeng uvuxa. Ithe kama isithi uyayibona le jezi ngakanani namawuthi. It was not fair. It was not fair. Even ujonga isikhathi sakhona. After penalty yaphela imatch kanjani? Iphela kanjani? Akunasikhathi esiyethiwe. It was 90 ujonga lapha ebhodini 90 holding. And then after khatshwa ipenalty sijongile ukuthi urefu uzo-add after nothing ayedwanga. Ijonga wona ulibonile isikhathi lapha esethiwe. Usibonile isikhathi esethiwe.
The 4 minutes.
No, idlaliwe 4 minutes. Ayidlalwanga. Idlaliwe.
Wait, remember on the 80th minute, the referee was thirsty, and he went to the fourth official. Do you think that they gave him a message?
No.
To give a penalty?
Yes, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you see now. You're calling something that I forgot.
Yeah.
You're calling something that I forgot.
You should watch that game again. Look at the 80th minute. You'll see the ref goes to the fourth official to drink water.
Yes.
And then the penalty.
There's a penalty.
No, niggas rope. No, niggas rope. Bega. That game le beyifair square. Baboni ukuthi mabamba Mfukeng. Like uMfukeng iskipper sakhe sinkulu. Yangithola kuye yena into lencane. Ithukele yantona le. Mawuyibamba uqala uthi obvious iskipper my quality iskipper. Iyawo intwana. Obvious nabo beshaya igoal. What is a penalty? None of us needs a penalty but I want to say mesa. Kanti no, ikhosi for lunch.
Okay, but not ukuthi ukumoshele into ishow yakho ne. Kodwa nami ndiyabuza ukuthi wena mawujongile igame ibiye yani.
For me, it deserved the draw.
Deserve the draw.
Yeah.
Danko, close
Bathi
the
ngokuthini idlozi likhona. Yangithola idlozi likhona. Ibhakaniya liwe. La bathi bona baqedile thina sikaqedi resayithoma reqayifetha
Orlando Pirates won this game, man. 3 points game.
Utshela one thing ne. See, yabona ku Nedbank siyodonsa bona. Siyabafuna. Ku Nedbank siyodonsa bona. Andebona isebo sethu. Siyodonsa bona Nedbank. Sifuna bona.
Isebo sethu.
Wait. Remember.
One between the two teams.
Remember, 2023,
Yes.
May, you were beaten by Pirates here, Nedbank semi-final. Do you think you are ready for that?
I'm ready. Didn't you see my game? Didn't you see?
What do you think about Lollipop? Last number 99.
That one.
Last number.
Excellent.
Last number.
You see the touch? Aye, that one is very brilliant. That one. Sisazohlangana mfana lwa. Number 99. Don't have. Phezulu. Call.
Sivale Kosi. On the streets with that guy from Cape Town, man. We're out.